Okay, next step is to use white for our base para dito sa axe. Yung axe ginawa ko using cardboard, glue stick, and barbecue stick. Yan, scratch build to mga ma'am sir na proportion kay 6-inch Venom Blackies Marvel Rivals. So next is to use the fluorescent paints from Hero Paints. Napakaganda ng fluorescent paints ni Hero Paints kasi super vibrant ng yellow na to. Super, super cool, grabe. Para siyang nag-glow. Ang base natin dito is white. So recommended pag gumamit tayo ng fluorescent paints, the previous layer is always white or a lighter color. Tapos yun kanina, orange yung in-apply natin para magkaroon ng orange tint yung King in Black na Venom version. In-apply natin yan sa mata, sa logo, and sa axe. Yung axe pala na yun, combination siya ng Mjolnir at saka surfboard ni Silver Surfer. Yun yung story ng King in Black. So if you wanna know more, punta lang kayo sa YouTube and search for Venom King in Black. Kalaban niya dun si Null. And ito yung, upon my research, ito siya yung pinakamalakas na Venom na suit. Ano na siya, cosmic level ability na yung powers niya dito. Ayan, nalalagyan na natin ng orange yung kanyang nag-apply na tayo ng fluorescent orange dun sa previous layer natin. Tapos yung final na step is to apply number 191 flat clear for our top coat. And let it dry for about 8 hours and then yun na, pwede mo nang paglaruan. So make sure na pag mga gantong klaseng action figures, fully painted, please be very careful in rotating yung mga joints, yung mga articulated parts. Kasi nga, since this is an action figure or model kit, any parts na nag-rub, may chance na magkaroon ng minor paint rub or minor paint scratches. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.